Welcome back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2016 Subaru Outback. It's a limited. It's a eyesight package with a factory trailer tow pack, technology pack. It's got heated seats in the front, heated seats in the second row, power rear gate, trailer tow, sunroof. It's one owner, folks, and the car presents itself like brand spanking new. Not a mark inside or out, non-smoker, and it is clean. It drives like it looks, folks. I put over 200 miles on this lady myself, and it's an absolute pleasure to drive. Great gas mileage, lots of comfort. Stability is fantastic, and she's on sale now at DasCleveland.com. Starting down payment through our guaranteed credit approval program is $995. This is a limited with eyesight package 2016. DasCleveland.com.